Ever arrived at your destination and realized you forgot something essential or brought way too much? That sinking feeling when you realize your phone charger is sitting on your nightstand 1,000 miles away, or the frustration of lugging a 50-pound suitcase full of clothes you never even wear. The time and money wasted on overpacking or underpacking can turn a dream vacation into a stressful ordeal. But what if you could pack perfectly, every single time? Today, I'm giving you the ultimate travel packing list that works for any adventure. Whether it's a city break, a tropical getaway, or a rugged mountain trek, this is the only guide you'll ever need to go from packing chaos to organized confidence. I learned this the hard way on my first solo trip to Southeast Asia. I overpacked so badly that I had to pay a massive overweight baggage fee, only to realize I had brought 3 heavy jackets to a tropical climate and forgotten a universal adapter. I spent the first 2 days of my trip stressed, hunting for a charger instead of exploring. Common mistakes like this: overpacking non-essentials, underestimating what you truly need, and forgetting key documents, are what we're going to eliminate today. I promise you, this list is packed with actionable, practical tips that are versatile enough for any trip you can dream of. So, let's get into it. First up, Section 1, the non-negotiable essentials. These are the items you absolutely must have, regardless of whether you're going to Paris or Patagonia. Your passport and any necessary visas are number 1. Double-check the expiration date right now. Many countries require at least 6 months of validity. Next, your wallet with your ID, some local cash for emergencies, and at least 2 different credit or debit cards. Keep them in separate places, in case one gets lost. Your phone, its charger, and a fully charged power bank are your lifeline for navigation, communication, and photos. Finally, any personal medications in their original containers, along with a basic first aid kit containing band-aids, pain relievers, and antiseptic wipes. Here's the common mistake most travelers make. They forget to take a picture of their passport and other important documents and save it to a secure cloud service. It can be a lifesaver if the physical copies are lost or stolen. Now let's talk about clothing and footwear. The secret to a perfect travel wardrobe is versatility. Think layers and a neutral color palette where everything can be mixed and matched. Packing cubes are not just a gimmick, they are revolutionary for organizing your clothes and compressing them to save space. For warm weather destinations, focus on lightweight, breathable fabrics like cotton and linen. For cold climates, layering is your best friend. Start with a thermal base layer, add a fleece or sweater mid-layer, and top it with a waterproof and windproof outer jacket. When it comes to shoes, limit yourself to 3 pairs maximum. A comfortable pair for walking, a versatile pair that can be dressed up or down, and a 3rd pair specific to your trip, like hiking boots or sandals. A quick hack to maximize space is to roll your clothes tightly instead of folding them. You'll be amazed at how much more you can fit. Let me know in the comments, what is your number 1 must-have travel clothing item? Next, Section 3, toiletries and personal care. The goal here is to be compact and efficient. Invest in a set of reusable, travel-size bottles for your shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. A solid toiletries bar for shampoo or soap can also save a ton of space and eliminates the risk of leaks. Your basics are a toothbrush, toothpaste, and deodorant. Beyond that, always pack sunscreen no matter the destination and bug spray if you're headed somewhere tropical. Here's a pro tip for packing liquids to avoid any dreaded spills in your carry-on. After filling your travel bottles, unscrew the cap, place a small piece of plastic wrap over the opening, and then screw the cap back on. This creates an extra seal that will keep your bag from turning into a soapy mess. Moving on to tech and gadgets. In today's world, we travel with more electronics than ever. Besides your phone, you might be bringing a camera, a laptop, or an e-reader. The most important thing is to have all the right chargers and a universal adapter if you're traveling internationally. There's nothing worse than having a dead camera on the day you visit the Eiffel Tower. A good pair of noise-canceling headphones can be a game-changer for long flights or bus rides. And to keep everything organized, use a small electronics pouch to store all your cables, chargers, and memory cards. This simple step prevents you from digging through your entire bag just to find one little cord. For those who need to stay connected, a portable Wi-Fi hotspot can be a fantastic investment. Let's dive into Section 5, Travel, Comfort, and Convenience. These are the little things that make a huge difference, especially during long travel days. A good neck pillow, a sleep mask, and a pair of earplugs can help you get some much-needed rest on a plane or train. Always carry a reusable water bottle. It's better for the environment and will save you money, as you can refill it at airports and hotels. Pack a few of your favorite snacks to avoid overpriced airport food, and to have something on hand when you get hungry between meals. One of my favorite travel hacks is to pack a few Ziploc bags of various sizes. They are incredibly useful for everything from storing wet swimwear and organizing small items to protecting your phone from sand and water at the beach. Section 6 is all about safety and documents, a step that is crucial for peace of mind. Make both physical and digital copies of your passport, visa, driver's license, and travel insurance. Keep the physical copies separate from the originals and email the digital copies to yourself or save them in a secure cloud folder. Have a list of emergency contacts and the address of your country's embassy at your destination. A lock for your luggage is a simple deterrent against theft. Consider using a wallet or travel pouch with RFID protection to safeguard your credit cards from digital theft. And please, get travel insurance. So many travelers skip this and regret it. Don't be one of them. It's an investment that can save you from financial disaster in an emergency. This is a vital part of any comprehensive travel packing list. Now for the fun part, adventure-specific items. This is where you customize your ultimate travel packing list for your unique trip. For a beach vacation, you'll need swimwear, a quick-dry towel, flip-flops, and a waterproof bag for your electronics. If you're going hiking, your essentials will include sturdy trekking shoes, a hydration pack or water bladder, moisture-wicking socks, and an enhanced first aid kit. For a city exploration trip, the focus is on comfortable walking shoes, a portable charger for a long day of using maps, and a stylish yet practical day pack. Tailoring these few items to your specific adventure ensures you're perfectly prepared without adding unnecessary bulk. Let's put it all together with Section 8, Packing Strategies and Hacks. How you pack is just as important as what you pack. Use packing cubes to compartmentalize your items. One for tops, one for bottoms, one for underwear. This keeps your suitcase tidy and makes finding things a breeze. We talked about rolling clothes, which is fantastic for soft items. For bulkier things like jackets, vacuum-sealed bags can save an incredible amount of space. When packing your suitcase, place the heaviest items like shoes and your toiletry bag near the wheels. This helps the suitcase balance and makes it easier to roll. Here's a challenge for you. On your next trip, try packing everything in just one carry-on. You'll thank me later for the freedom and mobility. Finally, a few bonus tips and common mistakes to avoid. Here's a quick fire list of things people always forget. Lip balm with SPF, a small notebook and pen, a stain remover pen, and a portable laundry line or a universal sink plug for washing clothes on the go. One of my favorite packing hacks is to stick a few dryer sheets in your suitcase. They'll keep your clothes smelling fresh for the entire trip. Always remember to pack items that can serve a double duty, a scarf that can be used as a blanket on the plane, or a sarong that can be a beach cover-up, a towel, or a skirt. The core message is this: traveling light is traveling smart. Every item you pack should earn its place in your bag. So there you have it, the ultimate travel packing list designed to prepare you for any adventure imaginable. By focusing on essentials, versatile clothing, compact toiletries, and smart packing hacks, you can save yourself from the stress, time, and money wasted on poor packing. You'll be free to focus on what truly matters, enjoying your incredible journey. I'd love to hear your personal packing hacks, so please share them in the comments below. If you want to master travel even further, check out my next video on the top 10 airport secrets travelers never know. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel wisdom, and share this with anyone you know who's planning a trip.